Okay, students, in previous video we have factorized this polynomial in this way, but sometimes this अगर आपका नसीब अच्छा है तो कभी कभी ऐसी पॉलिनोमियल आ जाती है, ठीक है, जिसमें कि आप सिंपली भी फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं। लेकिन याद रखिएगा कि हर बार सिंपल पॉलिनोमियल आए ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है, आपको मेथड्स सारी आनी चाहिए। ओके, आई एम डूइंग हियर a simple method for the same question. See, if I take x square common from these two, x square, here x will be remaining and here 2. From these two, if I take minus 1 common only, minus will change the sign only, so minus become plus and plus become minus. We can again take x minus 2 common from both, so here remaining part is x square and here 1, so it is x minus 2. This is what we call x square, and 1 we can also call it 1 square. 1 square is again 1, so here we can use the formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b, means x minus 1 and x plus 1. ओके, समटाइम्स अगर नसीब अच्छा है तो कभी कभी इस टाइप की पॉलिनोमियल आ जाती है जिसमें इतना सिंपली भी फैक्टराइज हो सकता है, ठीक है। यू कैन कंपेयर दिस आंसर x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1 with this x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay, but every time polynomial will not be as such simple as this. Okay, now we have x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Okay, here see, now here we cannot do the same thing. Here we cannot do same thing. Okay, let me try, let me show you why it is not just as simple as this. See, if I take x square common from here, x is remaining, minus 3 is here. Now if I take minus 1 common only, the answer will be 9x plus 5. Now we cannot take anything common. Okay, so every time it is not as simple as that. Okay, so let us try to observe the coefficient of odd. This is here 1 and here minus 9. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Here x square minus 3, and here we have minus 5. So it is again minus 8. We can say both are same. Okay, we have done earlier that if both are same, addition of both are same, at that time x plus 1 will be a 1 factor. Okay, so here we can divide this whole polynomial with x plus 1. Okay, now let us divide it. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Let us divide it with x plus 1. First of all, we can have x square. X square into x is x cube, and 1 into x square is normal x square. Okay, change the sign, x cube get cut. Now they both have negative sign, so we will take addition. Here we will take minus sign. 3x square and x square is 4x square. Here it have minus 9x. Okay, now to have minus 9x, first of all here we have 1, so we will multiply with minus 4 first. Then we want to have 2 power. Here we have 1 power, so we will multiply with 1 power. Plus minus minus, 4 ones are 4, x into x, x square, again plus minus minus, 4x into 1 is 4x. Now change the sign again, it get cut. Okay, now we have different signs here. Okay, so we will do subtraction. 9x minus 4x is 5x. 9x is bigger, its sign is negative, so we will take negative. Here we have minus 5. Okay, x is already there. We just need to have minus 5. Minus 5 ones are minus 5. So minus 5x plus minus minus 5 ones are again 5. Change the sign, get cut. It is 0. Okay, so instead of this, we can write multiply of these two things because remainder is already 0. We doesn't need to add 0. Okay, so x plus 1 into x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, so x plus 1 x square minus 4x minus 5. Okay, x plus 1 is as it is. Here we again have the quadratic equation, so we can do the same thing. 5 and 1, so 5 ones are 5. We need to factorize it so that when it gets subtracted we get 4. Now we can easily do 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. X square is as it is. From this to 5 is bigger, so we will take this bigger first. See, फिर से गुंडा आया. गुंडा खुद नहीं बदलेगा, पीछे वाले को बदल देगा. माइनस है तो प्लस. नाउ 1 मीन्स 1x and minus 5 is as it is. Okay, we can apply this type of logics also. Now take this x common. The remaining part is x minus 5. Here nothing get common, so we can take plus 1. Plus will never make a change. Okay, it will be as it is. X plus 1. We can again take x minus 5 common from both terms. Here remaining part is x and here is 1. Now we have 2 times x plus 1 in multiply, so simply we can write x plus 1 square and x minus 5. Okay, that is how we can solve the problem. Okay, now I am giving one question for you. It is for homework. X cube, 13x square, 32x and 20. Try to do this one question for homework. Okay, in next video I will explain you the 4th question. Okay, till then do subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Press the bell icon, like my video and share it if you like it. Thank you.